everybody, good morning. Today I'm sharing with you my Echeveria, and it has bloomed beautifully. It has so many blooms. There's one here. Look at this blooms. Isn't it gorgeous? It's beautiful. Look at that. It's just adorable. Look at that. Another one. We have another bloom. So pretty. And we have another bloom. That's 3, 4, and we have more blooms coming out of this plant. Look at that. I believe there's two more coming out of this plant. Isn't that amazing? It is so happy. So yeah, it is a happy plant. In front of the window is just so happy. So we got like 5 blooms here and 2 more coming out. Lucky number 7. It's a very easy plant, really. There's nothing much to do. I don't do much. I just water it like if it was a cactus, really. Only when it's dry, really dry, the soil, I water it. I don't keep it moist. So yes, it's an easy plant to have. And there is your blooms I showed you, and it's a very beautiful plant that blooms for you every single year. Maybe if it's small, it doesn't bloom right away, but every single year it has bloomed for me because it was already big when I got it. So yeah, and this plant has bloomed twice even a year. So there's times that I also put water with leftover coffees, right? I would just put it in the water, and then just, once the water is nice and dark, I just pour it in there. Because as you see, it's really like full. I'm not sure if I should repot it yet, or I'll wait after it's bloomed to repot it, because I believe it's already overgrown its pot. It's nice and happy. Anyways, my friends, I wanted to share with you this beautiful blooms of the beautiful Echeveria. And yes, and I hope you get one. I hope you also have one and enjoy its blooms. It's really beautiful. If you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos. Thumbs up, comment below, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.